Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch live football on your YouTube TV. So if you want to watch live football, you can simply go to the live section on the top middle. And from here on, you can go to the channel that is broadcasting that live football or where the live football is playing. So for example, this is where the live football will be playing tomorrow, or any channel that is currently showing the live football. Or you can simply go to the search on the top right corner and you can search for football. And you can see all of the live that are live or the games that are upcoming right here. So you can, for example, this one is live right now, Michigan versus Illinois. So I can simply click on it and I can watch the live match.
Second down and 9, and Tuttle in trouble, got it across the middle, and a first down.
I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.